Today we're making little mug cakes in these paper cups. On the outside we're going to draw some decorations. What are you decorating?
My theme is going to be nature and celebration.
My theme is a secret. Good luck!
And to you too.
First we color on this paper. We get the ideas from this paper and then we draw on these cups. How's it coming along?
I think it's good. You see?
Ooh, nice sparkles over there. I'm making Silly Town. You want to know silly shit? Yeah? I don't know. You don't have to balance it. Right? Oh, there's one pencil over there. Wow, how did you do that? I don't know. I just put it right next to my name. Can you try? You have to put it right next to your name. Right over here. See? You did it. You did it. We'll have to try it back. The cups are ready now. This is my Silly Town. These are trees. They look funny because it's Silly Town. This is Oogly Town. There's slime everywhere. Ugh. Imagine how these mountains would be like. Only Oogly house has a rainbow on top with only 4 colors. That's the remaining of Oogly Town. Annie comes up. What? This is the 3 children's mother. This is the big girl. This is the brother. This is the baby girl. Cannot watch this girl because she's gonna jump over the rock. This is the mother that is. You see this fire? That is when her hair got fired. And she's looking for her kids. Here are my signatures down here. My name is Navvi. Same for this. It has another kind of bed. Next, moving on is to my sister.
Okay, Navvi. This is my nature themed cup. This is my celebration themed cup.
We're making Amma's chocolate cake, mug cake. We need to do it all by ourselves. It's a challenge, even when we put it in the microwave.
She gave us the recipe and we'll have to follow it. Let's follow. Take the biggest mug you have. Pour the following in the mug. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil.
Where's the oil?
It's here.
Okay. Shall I hold that for you?
Yep.
Only some oil.
1,
2. Careful.
2. Close it. Pour 2 tablespoons of coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
Then can you pass me the coconut oil? Gently.
Be careful of breaking this.
The flour will be spreading everywhere.
1,
2.
Okay.
Close it. And keep it aside. Pour 4 tablespoons of curd. 1, 2, 3. 4. Okay. Add an egg. So I just have to drop it like that. Yes. Oh. There we go. We're done. Pour 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence.
Should I pass it to you?
Yes, please.
That's how you do it.
It's too much.
Should I put only a little bit? Oh, be careful. Don't let it spill.
Wow.
Smells awesome with vanilla extract. Be careful, don't spill it.
Mix until well combined.
Mix.
Maybe you want to mix?
Okay.
Should be well combined.
Ooh. Looks like cake batters for these little guys right here. Oh, I think that's enough.
Yes, music. Okay, so we're done. Add 4 tablespoons of flour.
Oh, flour.
We have flour.
Be
here.
careful, it's glass.
So tablespoon. So we'll have to use this spoon.
Oh, I guess,
Yeah, let's use this spoon.
yeah.
4.
Oh, not too much, not too. Oh, yeah.
That's 1. It's like a drop of 2.
Curd.
1. 3. And 4.
I'm doing like the moon.
4. Done.
Do we need to mix it?
No, not yet. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is the baking powder.
You want to see the baby spoon? It's coming up soon.
1 teaspoon. Done.
Next
That
up.
side. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
This
Yeah.
baby spoon. You want to show everybody the baby spoon? It's perfect for a Barbie doll.
Done.
Can you please put it back? Okay.
Add a pinch of salt.
Pinch of salt.
Yeah, that's the salt.
Be careful.
Pinch.
Can I try?
No. Okay, keep it aside. Then my hands. Okay. Add chopped nuts and cherries.
Chopped nuts.
Both of them in the same cup.
Okay. I see the chocolates. The food.
Yep.
I love cherries.
Keep it back.
When the cherries are with cake, it tastes awesome.
1 tablespoon of cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder. With the cocoa powder?
Oops, there. So now we use a spoon.
Okay.
Wait, can you hold a spoon, please?
You have to go this. It doesn't look messy. Messy.
So 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon.
Ew. This is 1 tablespoon. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, some spilled over there.
If we need the spoon, we take it.
Smells so awesome.
Okay. 4 tablespoons of brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Let's see. Yum.
Now, can you please pass the spoon we used for the cocoa powder? Okay, so
Yeah, looks,
tablespoon.
it looks yummy already.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. We left at 4, so we left at 2 more. 3, 4. 4.
Oh, it's like filling up the cup.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Now, can you please put the spoon back here?
I think let's put it somewhere else.
Yeah. Yeah. Keep it. Mix until well combined.
Mix,
This
mix,
is
mix
the
pot. Mix
trickiest part because it's like till the brim. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Looks really yummy, Navvi.
Yeah. But it does look
Yeah,
kinda
it looks, yeah. Because you'll have to mix it.
Yeah.
There we go.
Then
we
we'll-
go.
Then we'll put it into these cups.
Yeah.
They're decorated. Mixy, mixy, go on and on. Mixy, mixy, go on and on and on. Mixing is a favorite part of the year, like baking a cake, like baking a cake. Ooh, ooh, fast as you can, don't make a mistake.
Ooh, it looks so yummy, right? Whoa. It's chocolatey and so, you know,
Battery?
yeah.
That kind of battery you put in remotes or electric battery.
Oh, it's so hard. Navvi, can you please do it because my arms are really tired. Makes it really hard. Got some that on my hands. Yeah, now you're cooking.
Oops. I think I need to go with this part slow. Now I'm cooking first.
Okay, I think it's ready.
So slippery and slippery. Oh, shall I pass you the first
Yep.
cup?
Now we'll have to place it inside the cup.
I'm so excited. Ah! It looks so yummy, right?
Whoa, cool. Cool, man.
Cool, man.
Follow the instructions. Yep.
Microwave it for 2 minutes. We can eat it in the big cup or we could eat it in the mini cups. That's decorated. It's your other cup. I love this one the most. Mix and mixing. What's cooking?
Just a little more. Does it look yummy already?
Yeah, I love the cup that you're decorating right over here.
Thank you. Okay, so we finished 2 cups. Now we're going to 3rd cup.
That's my cup. It's
Mm.
very odd, right?
Yeah, because it's a silly town.
Yeah.
Odd,
odd. Everything's odd.
Now we're going to the 4th cup.
Odd. Everything is odd, odd, odd. Oh, it's melting! It's melting!
Oh man. Let's try to get it.
Fix it to the beat.
Remember. There we go.
Clean your hands.
Yep.
Let's put the spoon now.
Yep.
The batter can come in.
Ew, it's very hard, right? Don't know. It's not that hard. Just put it like this.
Well, it looks chocolatey.
Oh my gosh.
Even we're gonna microwave this for 2 minutes too,
Yeah.
with the babies.
Yep. Oh my gosh, there's so much of batter on the spoon.
Yeah.
Instead of going inside the cups or the mug, there's a lot of batter in the spoon.
Even the baby spoon.
Baby spoon. Okay.
That's enough.
Yep.
Come on.
Where should we keep the spoon?
How about we keep it on over there?
Yeah, that's a great idea. Yeah, we can put it in here.
I'm gonna get the tray. We're gonna microwave it for 2 minutes and come back.
It's ready.
It looks so yummy.
While it's cooling down, we are going to tidy up the table. It's a big mess. We are going to eat it now.
Oh wait, we need to put it on the chocolate syrup, right?
Yep.
Can you please pass me the towel?
Yep.
This is okay, just like our mother does. Ah! I can barely wait to eat it.
Ooh, done.
Oh, that's enough. Woo! It looks like a cow. If you color it in, it'll look like a cow. Whoa. And yours looks like a starfish. Just imagine.
Okay, let's taste test.
Yeah. It's a hit.
Yeah. I think Amma's chocolate mug cake is a hit. We've completed the chocolate mug cake by ourselves challenge.
Yay!
Bye!